Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I will be showing you how to do the box step. Let's get started. So to learn the box step, you need to first master the regular bounce and the run in place as shown here. The box step is a very easy trick which can be done for longer durations of time. You cannot do run in place or regular bounce for longer durations of time. So this is box step. It's basically putting your weight on a single leg, but still your other leg touches the ground, just touches. Let me explain you in a simpler way. Let's practice without the rope. Just regular bounce and run in place for some time. Then what you gotta do is jump on a single leg and bring your alternate leg close to the ground so that it just touches, as I have shown here. Practice without the rope. It would certainly help you. This trick is a little bit trickier than run in place and regular bounce. I myself have struggled with this trick for many days, but eventually you will get there. There is a simple phenomenon technique that I have learned to do this trick and made it simple for you. Jump on a single leg, maybe left or maybe right. Then bring your alternate leg very slowly to the ground and touch the ground with your alternate leg. Reminder, do not put weight on it, just touch the ground with your alternate leg. The weight of your whole body is on the single leg that you are already jumping on. As you can see, I am jumping on my right leg and I am touching my left leg. And when you've learned this phenomena, you can do alternate legs. You can put weights on both alternate legs. Now let's try with the rope. See, here I am jumping on my left leg, but I am touching my right leg to the ground very slowly and very beautifully. Now I've done the opposite. I'm jumping on my right and I'm touching my left leg very slowly to the ground. Now I will shift weight from my right leg to my left leg, meaning I will jump only from my right leg, then I will shift the weight and only jump from my left leg, and my right leg will be touching the ground. As you can see, you can learn different combinations. Guys, this trick is a bit tricky, but eventually if you practice it, you can get there. If you have any problems, questions or any other related query to skipping, you can hit the comment section below. Thank you very much and jump rope for life.